Thank you for checking out Content to Video, the fastest and easiest way to create awesome videos in literally seconds from any content that you have for tons of traffic and cash, taking advantage of the popularity of video sites. So basically what you're going to do is take any kind of content that you have. It could be something you create specifically for this video, or it can be PLR content, it can be from article directories, it can be from blog posts, even emails. Basically, you're going to be putting that content into video format and publishing it on video sharing sites. And the cool thing is it's seen as unique content by Google. Google can't really tell the difference that, this content was published somewhere else. So that sets you up at a huge advantage, and you're taking advantage of these, massive popularity from video sites, which are growing even more and more in popularity by the day. So let's look at what you have to do to create an awesome content to video and cache. So basically, the first thing you do is you open up the software, which is an exe, meaning that you're going to need Windows, or you're going to need to have Parallels installed if you're on a Mac. And basically you copy and paste your content in here. Each time you basically create a new line here, it's going to add that content to a new slide. So if you have a ton of content all in one big paragraph, then you're going to want to make sure that you're setting your video speed setting to slow, normal, at the fastest, or very slow. Now if you have short content like I have, you might want to select fast, very fast. There isn't really too much of a need to choose the fastest or the slowest, because for the most part your content is going to fit into one of these categories. So you paste in your content there, and then you're going to set the font. Right now you can see that it's Tacoma font, and if you select set font, it's going to open up a little dialog box here, and you can choose through any font that you have installed on your computer, and it's going to create an article with that font. And then you can choose bold, regular, italic, and then the font size that you want to use. You can also choose underline and the color of the font here. So there's a ton of options. Let's say I choose blue, and this gives you a little preview box of what you're actually choosing. And then you can also set the background image to whatever color that you choose. Let's say I'm going to choose yellow here, and I'm going to have a yellow background with large blue text in Tacoma font. I've chose the video speed, and I recommend that you choose compress to make your video smaller. You also want to choose where your video is going to be created and sent to. So in my case, it's going to be sent in my downloads folder, in my YouTube folder, and then you're going to choose your audio loops wherever you save those audio loops to your computer. And you'll get audio loops when you purchase this video software today. And then the last thing you need to do is choose the file name. So since this is 5 weight loss tips, or 5 motivational weight loss tips, I'm going to name that the video. Actually, I'm going to put it as all one word. 5 weight loss. Okay, so I named the file name. I have the font in the background how I want it. I have the output folder selected. I have the video speed selected. I chose compressed video, and I chose the audio output for my music loops. Now that I've done that, I'm going to select next here, and it's generating the video, creating the video. As you can see, it's doing all this extremely quickly. Next, I want to choose the compression option. For the most part, you're just going to choose Microsoft Video 1, and you can leave that stuff as is, or you can adjust it based on however you like, and select OK. Now it's processing the audio. Your video was created successfully. Press OK or open location. I'm going to open the location of the video. So now I want to show you the sample video, which was created in a few seconds using the software. The video is created in AVI format, so you need to have a video player that can play AVI format. And if you're using YouTube and you're uploading your videos to YouTube, then you can easily use this format and upload the videos as they are produced. So this is the sample video. As I press play, as you can see, I had my headline there, which I put into the software, and then as each slide goes through, I should have had it a little bit faster mode depending on the text. As you can see, my text is fairly short, and as it goes through there, it shows each thing separated by how you add the content to the software. And there's also music as well, as you can see there, which I've muted for the video, and it just runs through the entire video. This video was 2 minutes long, and it really took less than 2 minutes to create the actual video. So now that you've seen everything, go now and check out the Quick Video Creator and take action, use the software, and start making a lot of money and profiting from video marketing. So now that you've seen what content to video can do, go now and take advantage of this special offer and get content to video software and start creating a bunch of quality videos.